Hello, welcome all. So here we are discussing about a new session which contain graph of some functions and some special kind of functions. So here we have a function f from R to R by f of x is equal to x square. So we are representing that function by an x-axis and a y-axis and a particular graph. Okay. So the function is we square every element. Then here we take the domain R as the horizontal line and the codomain by the vertical line. The horizontal line is called x-axis and the vertical line is called the y-axis. The horizontal line is actually the domain and the vertical line is actually the codomain. Okay. So it is R, domain is R, or the x-axis is R. So R contains every number, right? So we represent 0 and at a distance it is 1 and at the same distance it is 2 and 3, 4, etc. And between 0 and 1 there are infinitely many numbers, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and all other numbers between 0 and 1. So there are infinitely many numbers on this real line. And on the negative side also it is -1, -2, etc. On the y-axis it is also R or it is the codomain. Okay, so it is we plot 1, 2, 3 or 4 on R on this line and -1, -2, -3 on R on this y-axis. Okay, and between every point there are infinitely many points. So our function is f of x is equal to x square. So image of 1 is 1. So draw a line on domain 1 and draw a 1 on the codomain 1. It meets here, right? So we plot that point. And image of 2 is 4. So 2 on the domain, 4 on the codomain. We draw a line on 2 and we draw a line on 4 on codomain. It meets somewhere here. So we plot that point. Like that, for every point on the real line, we draw take a small x in capital X or in small x in R. We draw a line on X and we have an image small y. We draw a horizontal line which is parallel to x-axis and consider the meeting point, then mark that point. So likewise we joining all the marked points, so we get a graph like this. So this is the graph of how we write graph of the function, right? Okay, so we joining all the marked points or we joining all the points connecting images and images, so we get a graph of a function. So next is some special type of functions. They are mainly called the one-one function or injective functions and onto function or surjective functions. So one-one and onto functions. Okay. So consider this one. So consider the first set. So we have A and we have B. A have 3 points, B have 4 points. Image of first point is first and second point of capital B. So first point on capital A have different images or 2 images. So this is not a function, of course, by the definition of function. So consider the second point. So here, yeah, every point in capital A have a unique image, so it is a function. And so A first point on A have this second point on B, second point on A have image first point on B, third point on capital A have third point on B as the image, and fourth point of capital A have image third point on capital B. So third point on capital B have is the image of 2 different points on capital A, and consider the fourth point. This is the and its image if the fourth points on capital B, and there is 1 point remaining on capital B. So this is the function, the second general function. Okay, so some function. Okay, so anyway, so one-one function means so you consider the second one. So if we consider the third point on capital B, so it is the image of 2 different points in capital A, right? It is the image of 2 different points in capital A. So such functions are not to one-one, right? So one-one function means if we take any different 2 points on the domain, or if any take 2 different points on capital A, if we take any different points on capital X then its images are also different. Okay, its images are also different. Such functions are called one function. Okay, so what we mean by one function? If we take any small x1 and small x2 in different in capital A, then the images f of x1 and f of x2 are also different. So this by the definition, the second function is not a one function. Okay, so consider the third one. So yeah, every point has a unique image and every point have image. So this is a function, and take first point on capital B. So it's image of some point. Second point, it's image of some point. Third point, it is image of some point. It's consider the fourth point, it's image of some point. So there is no point in capital B. It is the image of any two different points. So this function is a one function. So or if we take any different x1 and x2 or any two different points in capital A, then its images are also different. So such functions are called a one function or injective function. So next we move to what we mean by onto function. So onto function means, so consider our one function, the third one. So there is some point in capital B, it is remaining, right? So it is alone, or it is not the image of any point in capital A. So such functions are not onto, or onto-ness means, or if we say that a function is onto, then if we take any any point in capital B, it is the image of some points, or it is there is no point remaining on capital B. Such functions are called onto functions. Or mathematically, if we take any small b in capital B, there is a small I in capital A in which f of small I is small b. Or if we have a function f from x to y, then if we take any small y in capital Y, then there is a small x in capital A such that f of x equal to y. Then consider the last function. So it is also a, we can see that it is a one and also an onto function. There is no point in capital B in which it is the image of any more than one point, and there is no point remaining on capital A. So such a function, so it is one and onto, so which is called a bijective. A function which is both one and onto is called a bijective. So next is the mathematical definition. A function f from x to y is defined to be 1 if the images of distinct elements of capital X under f are distinct, or for every x1 x2 belongs to capital X, f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 equal to x2. Or x1 not equal to x2. If we take any different points on the domain, then f of x1 not equal to f of x2, or f of x1 and f of x2 are same, or images are same, then the points are also same. So such a function is called a one function. A function which is not a one is called a many one function, right? Many one function. So onto function means a function f from x to y is to be onto or surjective if every element of capital Y is the image of some element in capital X, or every small y in capital Y there is a small x in capital X such that f of x equal to small y, or there is no point remaining capital Y, or if I take any small y in capital Y there is a small x in capital X such that f of x equal to y.